Hi there, students. Illustrious. Illustrious, an adjective. Illustriously, the adverb. Illustriousness, the noun of the quality. Okay, so illustrious is just a vivid adjective for famous. Yeah? His illustrious career was finally finished after 50 years of impeccable service. He comes from an illustrious family, a famous family, that has had many famous poets and politicians and musicians in the past, famed, renowned. His illustrious track record means that he is well known. His illustrious predecessor, the eminent, distinguished and acclaimed person that came before him. So somebody that's illustrious is famous, and they're respected for what they've done in the past, for their past achievements. They're outstanding because of their achievements, their actions, or even maybe just because they're they have an incredible level of dignity. Eminent. The illustrious professor gave classes to undergraduate students. When I was at university, there were various illustrious Nobel Prize winners who gave lectures to undergraduates. I was very lucky in that one. Okay, so illustrious. An illustrious history, the illustrious history of this nation. Famous for its wonderful heroic deeds. A list of illustrious names were the people who went to the event. My team is playing the illustrious Liverpool this year. The illustrious past of this city. Okay, so the illustriousness of this city is it is famed. It's famous for what has happened in the past. The heroic deeds are illustriously described in this epic poem. Okay, so illustrious, somebody who's illustrious, they're famous, they're distinguished, they're respected. Either because they have very noble qualities or because they've done really famous things. So I guess the illustrious Ronaldo, due to his past achievements, but certainly not his noble qualities, or maybe the illustrious Lionel Messi, who I think certainly has more noble qualities, the illustrious Dalai Lama. Okay, this is maybe more for his noble qualities than his past achievements. Okay, the illustriousness of his reputation impressed everybody. His illustrious deeds, his glorious deeds. So famous, illustrious, famous, great, notable, celebrated, remarkable, distinguished, prominent, glorious, splendid, renowned, eminent. So who were the most illustrious scientists in history? So maybe Tycho Brahe, maybe Copernicus, maybe Galileo, maybe Isaac Newton, maybe Einstein, maybe Stephen Hawking, who knows? So illustrious, celebrated, esteemed, well known by people. So illustrious, this is a rather formal literary word. I think I'd probably give it 6.5 in formality. You could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation. Informally famous. Use it in a semi-formal or formal writing without any problem. It sounds a little bit poetic as well. Yeah. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, from illustris, meaning bright, shining, distinguished, prominent, illustrious. Yeah, from illustro, to brighten or to illuminate, lustro, to purify by making a sacrifice, to brighten. And then ultimately from Proto-Indo-European, lue or luek meaning luek meaning bright, and lue meaning to wash. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Illustrious.